In this video, I will let you know how I use Merge Titan's RedBubble Tag Generator to find tags. So let's get into it. First, you have to come to Google and search for Merge Titan's RedBubble Tag Generator tool. Now, you have to click on this first link. The link will get you to this page where you can search for tags related to your keyword. First, you have to make an account and then you can find the tags for your design. For example, I want to search for tags related to the keyword monkey. So I will type monkey in this search bar and then click on get tags. This will give me all the tags which are used for this keyword monkey on RedBubble. It will also show the number of times the keyword has been used on the designs. You can use these tags one by one, or you can format it and copy the tags. For that, you have to click on this button. This will give you all the tags in this format. Now you can copy the tags and use on your designs.